Hey, welcome back, almost 5,000 subscribers, and welcome to my channel, Newbies. This is Riddle, and you're at the channel, The Garden of the Mind. My idea is to not just integrate practical garden tips and knowledge, but also actual garden wisdom. And what garden wisdom is that I believe everything that you find, every practice, every lesson that you learn trying to keep a garden not just alive, but bountiful, you can apply to life itself. So I'm going to tell you a little personal story. I recently was in a relationship, and it was a long one. In the 2 years, that's not a long relationship, but long enough to feel invested. So for 2 years, I gave and I gave and I gave. And this person would pull in and push away, pull in and push away. And when they pulled away, it would just destroy me. It completely freaked me out. So as much as I wanted to blame this person, that's just who they are. What I noticed about this person is whenever I involved them in the garden or growing things, it was the same thing. They would plant seeds and then not make sure they were watered and all the seeds would die. Or they would start a project and then abandon it. The point is you want to nurture yourself and nurture your life and nurture your friendships the same way that you would grow a garden. And if those people in your life are not nurturing back, they're not giving back something, or they're not growing or blossoming, it's probably best to take that energy and put it somewhere else, and preferably back into yourself. Through my journey of taking responsibility, I've learned that I had some extremely deep wounds and codependent tendencies that went back to my childhood that now I can work on and grow through to have a stronger, more healthy, flourishing, abundant relationship in the future. And I've also learned that, that person really isn't worth my time. And I'm not judging them, but the fact is, if I can do this, and I gave all that to them, and loved them and nurtured them, and all they did was take and take and take and made me feel depleted, that's no good. That's like self-abuse. I can take all that energy now and put it back into myself, put it back into my studies, put it back into my life, or put it back into another love where it will correct itself. So often you'll see the people in your life that are really great with animals and take great care of animals and can heal animals are incredible friends. And if you meet somebody who can keep, houseplants alive or garden exceptionally, those are the people you want close to you, because those are the healers, those are the nurturers, and those are the teachers. I think that covers it. So the point, learn to nurture yourself and nurture your relationships the way you would growing a garden. Every once in a while, you got to go through and pull the weeds out that are just sucking energy and nutrition and life out of your life. Every once in a while, you got to check it for bugs, which I just did a major bug check, and I found some doozies. But my pesticide is on, and it's all natural, and I'm feeling good. And I'm moving forward with my light and my love, and I'm going to have the most amazing life garden ever. Okay. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other, because it's how we treat each other on the streets that really makes our reality. And if you enjoy my garden tips, money saving tips, and garden wisdom, please subscribe. It helps. I'm almost to 5,000 people, and that will be a champagne popping day. Bye.